Now, man, there's like so much pollen, man. I've been sneezing all over the place, but um, yeah. So I'm making this video because I want people to understand that there's an actual issue with the Pixel 9 series, and I don't know why it's the 9 series all by itself. I know that the other generations, like the Pixel 10, those aren't listed as ones having this issue, and it has to do with the eSIM and what I went through with my Pixel 9a. So apparently, after doing months of research and getting like, different people's opinions, chatting with various folks, comes to find out that the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro series, and then the Pixel 9a, they all have a problem with the eSIM. It has to do when you're thinking about running either beta software or installing a custom ROM, because this issue with the eSIM failing, where you have to have the motherboard completely replaced, happens when the bootloader gets unlocked on the phone. For some reason, it trips like the fuse to the EUICC and causes it to absolutely fail. And so there are some people who said that they were able to recover back and be able to use their eSIM on their device. And that was just relocking developer options, they said. But I don't know about that. I don't know if that really works or not. So I'm not going to say that that's a fix. But for the most part, it's a hardware problem. And so, yeah, it would be something that could be replaced under warranty. So if you're experiencing this problem with like a Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9a, and you have this problem happen, you got to contact Google directly. Either send your device in for a repair replacement, or if you have a U-Break iFix nearby, they can actually do the motherboard swap, and it'll be covered under warranty, so you wouldn't pay nothing out of pocket. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on this, let you guys know that this is a known problem. Lots of Pixel 9 users with eSIMs are experiencing this problem, and it happens when you unlock the bootloader. So, first advice, do not install any of the Android beta softwares, okay? 17QPR1 Beta 2, do not install it. Do not do it from a PC, because that is going to unlock the bootloader, and that's what causes the eSIM to fail. Do not install custom ROMs on your device, your Pixel 9 or Pixel 9a. No custom ROMs, nothing to do with unlocking the bootloader, nothing to do with modifying the operating system. If you're on Android 16, keep it on Android 16 is what I would say. That's just my advice to everybody.